मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो गया। I was overjoyed. I was overjoyed. यह अजीब बात है। It is a strange thing. It is a strange thing. वह बात का पक्का है। He is a man of word. He is a man of word. यह दुख की बात है। It is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of sorrow. उसके पास रुपए नहीं थे। He had no money. He had no money. मैं आपसे क्षमा मांगता हूँ। I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. आप किस चीज से परेशान हैं? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? आखिर आपका मतलब क्या है? After all, what do you mean? After all, what do you mean? यह मेरे मन की बात हुई। This is just what I wanted. This is just what I wanted. आखिर मामला क्या है? After all, what is the matter? After all, what is the matter? हम लोगों को काम करने के लिए दो हाथ हैं। We have two hands to work with. We have two hands to work with. तुमने मेरा सर नीचे कर दिया है। You have brought me to shame. You have brought me to shame. यह भूल मत करना। Don't make this mistake. Don't make this mistake. मैं आकाश पाताल एक कर दूंगा। I will move heaven and earth. I will move heaven and earth. उसको कोई काम मिल गया है। She has got some job. She has got some job. मैं अपना काम खुद ही करता हूँ। I do my work myself. I do my work myself. काम से जी चुराना विद्यार्थी को शोभा नहीं देता। It does not behave a student to chauffeur. It does not behave a student to chauffeur. इससे बहुत लाभ है। The advantages of this are many. The advantages of this are many. मैंने इस प्रश्न को नहीं समझा। I fail to understand this question. I fail to understand this question. क्या वह दिल्ली का रहने वाला है? Does he hail from Delhi? Does he hail from Delhi? क्या तुम्हें घड़ी देखना आता है? Do you know how to tell the time? Do you know how to tell the time? वह किस मकान में रहता है? In which house does he live? In which house does he live? इस रकम को मेरे नाम से जमा कर दो। Please credit this amount to my account. Please credit this amount to my account. वह घबराया सा लगता है। He looks rather nervous. He looks rather nervous. उसे जोर का सर दर्द है। He has a bad headache. He has a bad headache. वह बाल बाल बच गया। He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. कृपया उसका पता लिख लीजिए। Please write down his address. Please write down his address. इसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call this in English? What do we call दिस इन इंग्लिश। क्या ट्रेन यहाँ कभी समय पर चलती है? डू द ट्रेन्स एवर रन ऑन टाइम हेयर? डू द ट्रेन्स एवर रन ऑन टाइम हेयर? आप किस चीज में सफल हुए? What did you succeed in? What did you succeed in? कितना हुआ? How much is that? How much is that? मेरा कमरा दूसरी मंजिल पर है। My room is on the second floor. My room is on the second floor. इसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? कृपया यह पता लिख लीजिए। Please write down this address. Please write down this address. आपका जवाब नहीं। You have no match. You have no match. मैं तुम्हारा हित चाहता हूँ। I wish you well. I wish you well. यह आपको शोभा नहीं देता। This does not behave you. This does not behave you. उसकी किस्मत ने पलटा खाया। His luck took a turn. His luck took a turn. रविवार को कौन तारीख पड़ती है? Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? मुझे रहने के लिए घर है। I have a house to live in. I have a house to live in. आपकी घड़ी में कितना बजा है? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? तुम्हें कुछ कम खाना चाहिए। You should eat a little less. You should eat a little less. मैं गरम-गरम चाय पसंद करता हूँ। I like fairly hot tea. I like fairly hot tea. वह जो कहता है सत्य नहीं है। Whatever he says is not true. Whatever he says is not true. मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा मुझे कहा गया था। I did as I was told. I did as I was told. मुझे लंबी चौड़ी बातें पसंद नहीं। I don't like tall talks. I don't like tall talks. बात पक्की हो गई। The terms were finalized. The terms were finalized. वह अपने व्यवहार से शर्मिंदा है। He is ashamed of his behavior. He is ashamed of his behavior. मैं आज शाम को आपसे मिलूंगा। I will see you this evening. I will see you this evening. मेरी दुकान प्रतिदिन खुलती है। My shop is open every day. My shop is open every day. नाश्ते का समय क्या है? What is the time for breakfast? What is the time for breakfast? तुम इस कैमरे से फोटो कैसे लेते हो? How do you take photos with this camera? How do you take photos with this camera? कृपया रजिस्टर में हस्ताक्षर कर दीजिए। Please sign the register. Please sign the register. इसमें किसी का हित नहीं होगा। It will benefit none. It will benefit none. बात साफ है। The matter is clear. The matter is clear. आज उसका सच्चा स्वरूप सामने आ गया है. Today he has come out in his true colors. Today he has come out in his true colors. तुम्हारा साथ कौन देगा? Who will cooperate with you? Who will cooperate with you? तुम्हारा साथ देने के लिए चाय पी रहा हूँ. I am taking tea just to keep you company. I am taking tea just to keep your company. तुम्हारा साथ कौन देगा? Who will cooperate with you? Who will cooperate with you? मुझे बहुत सी बातें करनी है. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. समय आ गया है. The time has come. The time has come. एक दिन का समय दो. Give me a day's time. Give me a day's time. घर सजा हुआ था. The house was decorated. The house was decorated. सच सच कहो. Speak what is true. Speak what is true. हो सकता है कि वह दिल्ली में हो. He might be in Delhi. He might be in Delhi. जा सकते हो तो जाओ. Go if you can. Go if you can. संभल कर चलो. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. जरा संयम से काम लो. Try a little self-control. Try a little self-control. शुरुआत अच्छी हुई है. It's good beginning. It's a good beginning. मुझे उससे शिकायत है. I have a complaint against him. I have a complaint against him. तुम्हारा शक किस पर है? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? मैं वैसे ही चला आया. I dropped in casually. I dropped in casually. मैंने उससे बहुत कुछ कहा. I said many things to him. I spoke him many things. आज पानी बेहद बरसा है. It has rained excessively today. It has rained excessively today. यह काम तुम्हारे लायक नहीं. This work is not suitable for you. This work is not suitable for you. लड़का शादी के लायक है. The boy is fit for marriage. The boy is fit for marriage. मेरे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं है. I have no alternative. I have no alternative. उगते सूरज को सब नमस्कार करते हैं. All worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it? Whose turn is it? उसकी बातों में वजन है. His words have weight. His words have weight. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel.